myself feel so motivated right now as well. And we can't thank you enough for sharing your inspiring story. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Andy Castro. And at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we will be proceeding with the awarding of the plaque of appreciation to our esteemed guests, partners, and the associates. I would like to request here on the stage Dr. Adnan and Ms. Joylyn to hand over the plaques to the following names that I will be mentioning right now.
Dennis, Cirilla, tingin kayo. Guwapa kayo.
Our first special guest, Mr. Randy Koche, Senior Site Engineer and Woodworks LLC, Joinery and Interiors, and